Yeah, the old school. Welcome to Ireland. We just had an absolute nightmare with our room. We got into this room at first, it was a twin room, and so all the other girls booked on separately, and then their room was amazing, but I got into my room and I didn't want to be ungrateful, but it just felt like so like dingy, and we paid the same amount as our friends to stay in like the rooms and stuff, and I went down to reception, I said I can't do it, it's just a completely different floor to our friends, and also just so enclosed, it didn't have any open windows so you could see outside. But now we've got this beautiful rooms, we've got a double bed and 2 twin beds, so I'm going to claim the double. But yeah, so now we're actually happy. Emma's chilling, and then we're gonna meet the rest of the girls and hopefully go get some food and then start drinking some Guinness. I think we found the world's emptiest pub in Dublin. But it's quite nice, got it to ourselves. Those two have got a Guinness. I've got a hot house, which is made by Guinness, so not cheating.
Not cheating.
But you guys have got to do the heart challenge.
Oh yeah. Well, you've got to get it in the line
middle
of the
of the
G.
heart. Oh,
No, it's the G.
I thought it was under the heart.
No, it's the G. So when you do the Guinness like drink challenge, you've got to get it down where it gets to the line of the G.
Oh my gosh! Yeah,
Yeah, you gotta do it. The reason why I'm not getting a Guinness is because I genuinely only want a Guinness in the Guinness factory for the first time.
Really?
Yeah, first time in Ireland.
Oh, fair. If it's your first time that you've ever had a Guinness.
In Ireland.
In Ireland.
I haven't had one in the UK. Whoever wins gets another free Guinness on Billy.
Scared.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, who's it gonna be? You're supposed to start it, Shannon. Oh! Yeah, so we've just finished our little Guinnesses and we're gonna go and meet the other side of the gang, the other half of the gang. We're gonna go to the Temple Bar part. They're in a pub there, and yeah, the sun's come up, which is nice. This is the river. It's the river. It's a little bit crowded. So we met the girls at the bar, and we are back at our hotel, me and Emma. Oh, sorry, she's a bit naked, I shouldn't probably say that. We had a few more beers, so I am here recovering. And then we're gonna go to Temple Bar, which is a fantastic bar. I'm sure, but very overpriced for what it is. Hey guys. Just trousers. Oh my god! Good morning, everyone. We're first going to go to a wax museum to go and explore the Irish waxies. And is that what's the Irish museum? The wax museum about? About earwax. It's a bit like Madame Tussauds, yeah? Okay, cool. There you go. And then afterwards we've got a tour book to get slightly outside of Dublin. And then yeah, we're going to go there and explore some of the countryside. You're not coming, are you?
Walking?
It's not walking, it's exploring.
I wasn't even meant to be on this trip.
Nice hand. Yes. It's healthy. I'm scared. Oh no, this is not good. Yes! Can someone else go first? Alright, it's one of these mirror rooms. Oh no, we're gonna split up. There's a mirror there. Oh, these look so much crazier as a kid.
We should wait, because I feel like we're all following. You shouldn't go.
Oh, yeah, alright.
Which one's you?
By myself, I don't know what the hell's happening. Okay. Oh, I can see you, but where are you? Are you real? Why can I see that? What?
Where is she? Yeah, what one are you doing?
That's so weird. Oh wait,
Film myself.
oh Shannon. Oh, claustrophobia. Oh, it's soundproof. Oh, this carpet's well nice. Oh, it's like The Conjuring. To be fair, if there was like a World War III, this would be perfect. Oh, what? She just went up in the roof. This is cool. All right, here we go. I think this is for kids, guys. Ooh. Oh, bend it like Beckham.
That man's not impressed.
What man? Kaylee!
This is like your nan's house.
It does look like my nan's house.
Samhain was originally the root of Halloween.
Samhain.
Samhain festival.
Wasn't it an American thing?
No.
Or is it an Irish thing? Go on. Yeah, work it, baby.
Oh wait, that represents my lads, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
What the three-leaf clover?
Yeah.
Go on, get it out of him.
I've told you time and again. Where is she?
Kelly and Alex. So beside me here is the Trinity College, which is free to go in, so I think we're going to go for a little stroll. Let's go in there. It's meant to be really nice in here. They've got one of the world's biggest libraries or something. Is it world's or UK? It's not UK.
no idea.
We're not in the UK. Sorry those that are from Ireland. But yeah, it's pretty nice. The grounds are meant to be really good, so... Oh, it's a big building. No, but apparently it's really nice. Is it? Yeah. You read one every morning, so...
But that's one book.
That's one book. I like book.
That's the only book that's captivated
I like
me.
book, not books.
You know, I read the last page as well. I'm that person. I'll read the end.
Oh, so you wanted to know what happened?
Yeah, no.
Paddy wagon.
Paddy wagon.
Do today. So I think the nice thing about Ireland is people hold on to traditions. When you hear the reason why they tie pieces of cloth onto the fairy trees, I think.
Phone just coming out. Stop it. Go. That's so funny. Don't jump. Oh gosh, oh no, oh. Uh-oh. Just good luck. Just good luck if you walk through it. Stun then.
Vlog 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's already gone.
Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Wait, hold on. 3, 2.
You getting married?
Another one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's really one of those, isn't it?
Let's go down to the lake. Just get naked. Yeah, that's it. Work it, baby. Oh. Right. Please try and get up there, Terry. Just get on that trunk. Just go for it, girl. Leapfrog. One more time. Just a little bit more. Spinal injury. Helicoptered out. So far it's taken you 1 minute and 13 seconds. You're still not up. There we go. It's the 1100s, they think. We're walking up this really steep hill just to get to Kevin's cell. So that's St. Kevin's cell, but we're just about making it. You're right there, Terry. It's alright, we got there. Proud of you, girl. Let's go. Come on. Do you remember, Terry, when you take 5 steps and then stop? Up Snowdon. Quick. Look at that for you. Woo. We've got 4 minutes until our coach leaves, so we're currently on the run for it.
Paddy wagon.
Is that how you spell cul-de-sac? Cul-de-sac! We are at the Guinness factory. It's my first time here. We've been here for 4 days and I have not had one Guinness because of this place.
Yeah, you've actually done really well with that. Not one Guinness. Just
Don't be mine,
waiting for
though.
the right
I
moment.
don't know what I'm missing out on, so it doesn't really matter, does it? I love stimulation like this, it's the best. So we've come to the theatre, front row. This is the weirdest show I've ever seen. It's like a red light district. Yeah! Look at this view, guys. We have got a view of Dublin. This is probably the bit that Terry was most excited to show us. What do you think, Shannon?
Absolutely.
We're a little bit hungover, probably not the best time to go to the Guinness factory, but it is our last day.